Hello everyone. Hello, I'm Tanushi Gupta. I am a brand owner of Tanudhi Crafts. First of all, I should thank so much Anju ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity to display my products. Thank you so much Anju ma'am. I will answer all the queries and everything after the session goes over because I'm not so friendly with each and everything. So I hope you won't mind it. First, I'll tell you about Tanudhi. Tanudhi is a brand of two sisters, me and my sister Nidhi Singhal. We both were crafters and artists from the very young days, but we never got the opportunity to do something like this. With the help of Anju ma'am and so many others, we build up this brand. We specializes in handmade products using decoupage and mixed media techniques. We specialize in basically customization and personalization. If you name anything and if you want to be very specific, I want like this design, color, shape, size, we can do that. I'll show you some of my products so that you can understand what I mean to say. See, this is a nameplate. We make nameplates for the beautiful homes, beautiful nameplates. These are flat rectangular one nameplates. We customize color, design according to your choice. We also make Victorian hanging nameplates also, which you can hang 90° to the wall. We make small gift items like boxes, jewelry boxes, which girls love. You can gift anything with these. You can keep jewelry, you can keep chocolates, you can keep anything, and really the girl loves these types of boxes. These prints can be customized according to your taste. Colors can also be. This is basically a decoupage technique. Decoupage is a French art to decorate the wooden objects. You can decorate metal objects also and plastic objects also. But I prefer to do this on a wooden surface. See, this is a mobile hanger which I have made using a mixed media technique. You can use this as in your kitchen also to keep your cutlery also. It's not necessary that you use it only for the mobile hanger. You can do it for any purpose. We make sets also for the gifting purposes like this. This is a tissue paper box, but I have made a small tray also of this design. A coaster, you see, this is a coaster. I'll stand up and then show you all the things. This is a coaster. This is a tissue paper box. Both of the same design. And then you can see this is a tray. This is also a same design. We coat it with several layers of varnish, so it won't go anywhere. You can't just scrub it with soap and water, but you can wipe it easily and it will last long. It won't go anywhere because it has a coating of 7 to 8 layers of varnish, and it is a waterproof varnish. So if you want any other color, any other print, we can do it accordingly. This is a wall clock. We have several designs in wall clock also. So I can make it accordingly, whatever the clients want, the color combination according to your wall deco, according to your room, you want for dining room, for living room, for bedroom, anywhere, whatever you want. I can do that. We make gift items also. For a birthday purpose or for any anniversary occasions, you need a return gifts or gifts. Both are available with us. We can customize and personalize. This piggy banks we made for a store with the name of a Bong House. It's yet to be delivered. That's why I am able to show you there. So she needed it as a return gift for children. So we have made these beautiful piggy banks. You can see there is a slot, there is a door where you can open it. This door is openable, so you can do this. So here are coasters. These are also waterproof. Everything is waterproof. We coat it with several layers of varnish, but the things which you are using for the like dining and for eating, so we are using more and more of varnish. But for decoration purpose, we use less varnish, but it still lasts long very much. You need not to worry about that. So you can see this is a cosmetic organizer. Here you can keep your lipsticks or anything, and here it's a deep box, so you can do this. So prints and color combination, it's up to you, but we try our best to give the best prints. And these type of platters also we make. These have a very antique handles. We choose these handles just to make this tray more beautiful. It is coated with several layers of varnish, and you can see the prints and the design. So you can see how much we can make, much more. So for gifting purposes, we do make this type of also. This is best for housewarming party or anything. We can write welcome or have sweet home, or even this can be used as a nameplate also, or even in the children's room or anywhere, whatever you want. So this will also be a nice gift. We make metal planters also, like this. This is made up of a metal. This is not wood, and the work which we have done here is all ceramic. This is all ceramic work. You can see this. These all leaves, these all flowers. You can put your plants into it and you can hang it. There is a hole also through which you can hang it easily. So this, I'll answer all the questions after the session is over, because I'm not able to do two things at a time. I'm little weak at that. I hope you all understand that. See, this is a cutlery holder. We have many designs in cutlery holders also, but this is one of the designs which is my favorite design, so I'm showing it. This can be used in the kitchens, in the dining room, but some where I've seen that they are using it only on also on the desk also as your stationery holder. They say why we treat it as a cutlery holder only. So it's up to you, how do you want it. So we print it also accordingly. This I wanted for a kitchen, so I have done accordingly to that theme. But if you want for the desk, I can do that also. See, this I made a beautiful organizer. You see, this has all the miniatures. These miniatures are made by me only. This is for a store, Bong House, which deals in perfumes and leather bags. This is going all the way to Lucknow for that store. So she wanted her on her desk, so she wanted her something personalized, so we have written the name also, and according to the theme we have made this. You can see. This is a glass bowl. You need it for snacks or anything. It's not, anything is not done from inside, so it's very safe. The inner side is still glass. The work which we have done is from outside only. So you can keep any of your food items or anything related to that inside easily, and it's practical also. It's not unhealthy. It's safe. And we have done the work outside. You can wash it, but you cannot wash it under the soap. We make dining mats also, like these. But this is only a one design, but we have many other designs for the dining mats. It depends upon your dining table. It's a 6-seater, 4-seater, 8-seater. We can even give a single piece also if you want. It doesn't matter to us ki you want a full set or you want a single piece. We want it to work for our clients full-heartedly. So whatever our clients want, we will do that. If you want a small nameplate, just a number on your house, we even do that also. Okay, you just take a number and then you can see this. See, I'll show you some more products. This is a watch box. Even a cushion is there so that you can gift it to your brother or anyone. The theme depends upon you are giving it to a boy or a girl or whatever you want, or a friend. You can gift it to anyone. And these gifts are for all occasions, wedding or a Rakhi or anything. You can gift it. Doesn't matter, a happy birthday is there. And these are also practical for return gifts also. See, we have a laser cut boxes also like these. If you want some delicate boxes or like something, and we have decoupage this area. This is simple painted. This is cut it with machines. This we haven't done, but this full work we have done. This can be customized and personalized. I'll show you something. I'll just tilt the camera a little bit. You can see we even do a coffee table. I think you are able to see that coffee table. See, this is a coffee table. We even make coffee tables. So you want a furniture piece, I've made a mirror also for a store, for a house, for a newcomer in newborn baby. I'm sorry, it's for a newborn baby. I made a almirah also. According for a boy, I made almirah. Then I've made this coffee table for someone. So I can customize your furniture also. I can make your furniture also, but that too only in MDF wood, not in any other things. I'll show you some more pieces. See, this is a decorative umbrella. I've made this using Suspeso flowers. These are 3D flowers all. These are plastic flowers. I've cut it, made it myself. And there is an empty thing. You can keep your flowers or letters or anything, and there is a hole also. So you can hang it easily anywhere. So it's a decorative piece come a utility piece. I try to make more of decorative and utility both in the same product, so that it doesn't look you just wanted to decorate it. See, this I've made for a home decor. See, this is a full set. A cutlery holder, a tissue box, then coasters we have done. This is a full gift set. You can gift it to someone. You can use it in your house. It's up to you. And we can make a tray also of this, and anything whatever you want. I want the set to be with this. So it's up to you. Whatever you want, I can do that. So now I'll see some questions, then I'll try to answer that. Ma'am, coasters depends upon the size and the work. Some coasters we have two side works. So if there are two side works, then it is for 550, and if it is for single side work like these have only single side work. This side we haven't worked it. So these are for 400 for a full set, and I can customize print, colors according to your choice. Anything can be done according to your choice. And trays are from 300 starting to the smallest tray. I'll show you. This smallest tray is for 300 at present, and I have a bigger size also, one ready. See, this is a bigger size. This is 7 by 11 inch. This has a grooves also, you can see, and this is a flat. So there is a difference. This is for 500 at present. So we are coming up with a scheme. If you order for 1000, the shipping is free, and there is a surprise gift also. Tissue paper boxes are for 500 at present, and this type of lipstick holder which I show you. this type of lipstick and cosmetic holders. These are just for 300 at present. I'll show you some coasters also, big coasters. This coaster, this is for 150. This is a big coaster. If we have 4 pieces ready in stock, if anybody wants, I can give for 900 with a shipping free. Let me check. Yeah, you can message me, you can tell me. You cannot put the nameplates outdoor, as these are made up of MDF wood. We coat it with several layers of varnish, but it's not rain proof. Actually, it's a decoupage is a technique which we use it by using a rice paper. After all, it's a wood, then it's a paper. So how much varnish you use, I don't recommend it. So if there is a shade, then you can use it. Normally the persons who are taking with us, they have a shade over it. I have just hang it outside also to test it, and from last 1 year it's hanging, but still I don't recommend to hang it outside because the colors little bit then fade if there is no shade. If there is a shade, then it's safe and it goes very very long. Then there is no nothing. We have a cut work पूरा उसके अंदर. आप ये देखो, इसके अंदर पूरा ये कटवर्क है, ये चीज़ है. ये कटवर्क के डिज़ाइंस, आई हैव मेनी डिज़ाइंस इन दीज कटवर्क्स डिज़ाइंस. एंड द नेम फॉन्ट is also, I have many type of name fonts. And basically if you want a bird, you want a house, you want a flowers, you want a lady, it depends upon you. I have created every type of nameplate, a princess nameplate, a house nameplate, a tree nameplate, anything. You can see it depends upon the color combination of your wall where you want to place it. So these nameplates are for 1250 and the bigger nameplates are for 2350. The Victorian nameplates, I don't have any ready sample, but if anybody is interested, I will send on a WhatsApp number. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah, varnish from the glass bowl, I have done it so many that it's safe. It's a food grade varnish. Whatever we are using for the food components, like dining table mats or on the bowls or anything, we are using a food grade varnish. We are not using a normal varnish because that's, I personally feel, is not safe. When you are mentally feel relaxed, everything is safe, then you need to buy that. So it is from outside and it is 7 to 8 layers of varnish, and between each layer we take a break of 7 to 8 hours. So it takes so much time to make a bowl. So that why it's very good. You can rub it, you can do anything, it won't come out easily. But if you need a scrubber or a soap, then it may come after some time. Not initially, it will not come for a few months or maybe a year, then it starts peeling off. But if you just wipe it, it will go on and go on. And from inside, it's just a glass. Nothing work has been done from inside. Every work which I have done, even the flowers which you are seeing here, is done from this base only. So this base is perfectly clean and clear and very much practical and healthy also. I say, matlab, for health issues. If you give me a theme or a color, I can just tell you how can you do that, which products you want, and I can just suggest you the color, the combinations, the papers. I have a huge variety of rice papers, so I can do that. I can customize a paper also for you. If you want something, I can customize a paper, then get it printed for you, and then I can make your base accordingly. If you want something particular, a product that I want for this size and this width, that I also can do. And on any product I can write your name with wooden 3D effect. So even if for a tissue box, or if you want to give someone and you want her name to be in highlighted, like just I show you a piggy bank. See, this I have written in a wooden form. So if you want something to write it like a wooden, so I can write her name also. I have made these piggy banks very much, matlab in lots of 20 pieces or 25 pieces, and you write the children's name here, so that you can gift it to your children on a birthday parties or anything as a return gift. And the kids just loved it, because then they get the concept of saving also, and their mother also think ki this is the best idea to give them. And seeing their name, they are totally excited that my name is here on my house. So even I've made small key holders, fridge magnets. These can be used as a fridge magnet also. I can put a magnet out here, and then you can, and else you can, there is a hook, you can hang it. These are for children to keep their iCards, to keep their bottles, or anything whichever they want to hang them. And we usually put a picture of their children or write a name, whatever they wish, accordingly we do. This all depends upon the budget of the client also. So how much they wanted to spend it, and if you want to spend it little, and it can be done anything. And if you want to spend little less, then also there are too many options. After this session tomorrow, I'll just post on She Connect group. Many of the items are coming for sale, so you can then order also, because whatever is ready with me, we are doing it totally for sale item. And if you want anything to be done new and customized, then I'll tell you accordingly what the charges will be. I can make this, I have made this beautiful cart also. This design was made by my sister. Totally, she wanted something unique for her dining table. So she just made this design. See how beautiful it comes. So I can do this color combination or anything. If you want to be little big, or you want to be thin and long, or thick and long. So it depends ki, where you want to keep and how you want to keep it. You gift it, anything. So I can do this. Now I'll show you some more products for, see this. This is a vintage lady. This is a wall deco piece. I've made this using a Thai clay. This is a type of a paper, but I've done all this on a Thai clay. This is a Thai clay. What impressions you are seeing is totally a Thai clay. This is a home deco product. I'll show you some more. See, this is also a home deco product. One of my client has taken this, and she has asked me to write her Namaste. These days, you know, Namaste is a little in fashion, so she has told me to write here Namaste, and she wanted to hang it in outside her house, matlab in a shade. These all need a shade, especially these type of products need a shade, because this is a 3D technique which I have made a flower. You can see this, I've tilted it, you can see this is a 3D technique. So you can this needs a shade. So I can write here anything. If you want welcome, I can write here welcome. If you want namaste, I can write namaste. If you want have a nice day or anything, it depends upon you ki what you want to have this. And on coasters also, ma'am, I can write a beautiful quotes also. Have a nice day, coffee, tea, chit chat. But people used to like on the one side they want prints, lovely prints, and the opposite sides they want little stencils related to your tea or coffee. So I can do that also. I can write any quotes related to that, whichever I have. Quotes I have a limited stock, so I can just show you that these quotes, but still I have a huge variety. I can't say ki. I'll show you. I have made some bags also. See, these are little jhola bags. I've made this using these techniques also. Because during this time, we need not to carry the bag. We should carry the bags, okay, actually, and we should not take their polythenes or anything. So I made these types of bags also. If anybody wants this, I can give this also. This is just for 150 rupees. See, this is a small type of a aromatic diffusers. This is made up of a ceramic. This is a clay and a ceramic. You can hang it using these things. Anyway, this is a diffuser type. Here you can spray anything. your perfume, your essential oil or anything, and it will slowly revolve all your house, and slowly you will feel that it is getting your room or any space that is getting scented. So it's a decorative come a aromatic diffuser. This is also for 150 rupees only. But for free shipping, you need to order at least for 900 rupees. Because shipping has been increased, else I have would given this. This is also a simple board, but I'm trying to turn it into a key holder or a towel hanger. I'll put a hook out here, and this can be a towel hanger. You can keep it on your basin or anywhere. So you can keep a towel, or you can use it as a simple key holder. If somebody wants, I can put 2 keys holder here, and it will turn into a key holder. I have a lot of variety of key holders also, but ready sample was not there, so I was not able to show you a key holder. Normally people take key holder, especially customized one, because they want little name here, or they want any quote here. So they want according to their space also, okay, I want this type of a key holder or this type of a key holder. So I don't have a ready piece, so I was not able to show you guys. I hope you understand. Thank you so much, Vandana ma'am. Thank you everyone for appreciating my work. Thank you, Anju ma'am, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity for being on this platform, so that I can just show you my work, what am I doing. And I'm looking more forward for it to get a positive response from the lovely family of She Connect. Me and my sister are really happy to be on this platform. Thank you so much, Anju ma'am. I'll answer all the questions to them. And if there is anything, you can contact me on my number 9818007909. This is my number. I am on WhatsApp, always available. You can contact me anytime. I'll just repeat my number once again. My number is 9818007909. Thank you so much, Anju ma'am. See you in a while. Thank you. Bye-bye.